All right, guys, thanks for joining in. Today we have a special delivery from DJI, guys. Again, DJI did not sponsor this video. I just purchased this. I've been waiting for unboxing this. I'm a big fan of DJI. I love their audio products and their recording products. So, in fact, the one I'm using right now to record this is also both the camera and the audio is coming from the Rode DJI product. So, anyway, sorry, the camera is DJI product. Anyways, guys, without any further ado, let's get into it. So this is the DJI MIC2. I had the Mic 1. I wanted to try the Mic 2. I heard really good reviews about this. So let's see what's inside. It's a wireless microphone. So, oops. Let's see if I can open this right here. All right, we got this. Put this on the side. So, all right, all the plastic out of the way. This is the box right here, guys. All right, we love the packing in DJI, guys. I mean, their Pocket 3 also has a similar bag. So, as you can see right here, very sturdy pack. I think it's also waterproof too. So, this is pretty cool. And once you open this up, this has a silicone pack. This is for the microphone, for noise, and the filter. And then there's another filter for the other microphone. Then you got these USB-C cables, a silicone pack to keep the moisture out. All right, let's see what's inside the box right here, guys. So as you can see, there's a seal right here. Press to unlock. Okay. Let's just see the seal. Take that out. And there you go. Wow, it's pretty sturdy, guys. As soon as you take it out, as you can see, we can set it up different, the languages and everything. So this is the receiver, and these are your two transmitters. And then right here, this is your clip for charging clips. So you can put this on. These are for the charging clips. So, all right. Let's quickly set this up and get back, guys. All right, guys. I quickly finished the setting on this thing. As you can see, it's actually reading from both of them because both of them turned green. So they both are sending the signal back to the receiver. As you can see right here, guys, if I zoom in, so this is how you can actually control the mic volume. I haven't played with it much yet, but it's pretty nice. I love the reviews on this thing. You can also set up your headphone over here to monitor the audio, and so forth. Anyways, let me know if you guys want to see something. I'll be making some cool videos about this product in the review and doing some interviews and stuff. So let me know if you guys have any questions. One thing I love about this is as soon as you just put this thing back in, it actually picks up the charging right away. So that's the best part about it. As you can see, all of them are pretty charged. Anyways, guys, let me know if you want to hear something or see a special video on this thing. I'll be sharing more on that. Thank you.